How to fix Cash App payments decline for your protection. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. So in today's guide video, I'll simply guide you on how you can fix when Cash App says that the payment has been declined for your protection. So just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe that you open up the Cash App and then you actually try to make a specific transaction and then you try to pay to a specific person. But then whenever you try to actually pay to that person, it simply says that the payment has been declined for your transaction. The very first thing you have to understand is that Cash App does this to protect you because it thinks that the person that you're trying to wire the money to is actually a spam account, because they have noticed some kind of fraudulent behaviors from their Cash App account. That is why whenever you try to send money to that person or that account, it will actually detect it as a spam and it will say that the payment has been declined for your protection. However, if you're sure that the person is a legit account and that you want to send money to that person, in that case you have to contact the Cash App support. Now in order to do that, tap on the profile icon from the top right, scroll down to the bottom, go to support, and over here you can simply chat with them by tapping on the contact support or the chat button here, and then you should be able to successfully talk to them and then tell them about the queries that you're trying to send money but it simply says Cash App payment decline, and then they will be able to solve the problem for you. But in most cases Cash App just does this in order to actually help you protect your account. So hope this video helped you, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.